Hello everyone. From measurement chapter, already I taught you about the length and weight. Yes, I know it. You got all the concept regarding that two. That is what is in by length, how length is converted into smaller unit into bigger, bigger into smaller. Then next point, weight. This is also I have explained. This is also conversion, addition, subtraction, all these things completed from that 2 points, that is the length and weight. Now next point from measurement we have to learn today, that is the capacity of object. Now see about capacity. If you are thinking about capacity, it will be measuring liquid things. Like I will show you regarding that capacity. What you have to do, see. These are the estimating unit and standard unit means what? We will see. Suppose this is the bottle. If I fill the water in this bottle, then just I will estimating the measurement of this water, means 1 liter or something. This is the estimating weight. But in this capacity we have to learn about standard unit. Means what? Suppose if you want to measure the water from this bottle, okay, measure the water from this bottle, then you can easily understand what is by that. I will show you about this very well regarding that bottle. Okay, okay, see, सिंपल सी बात है. अब ये देखो, कुछ मैं आपको स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट दिखाता हूँ और कुछ एस्टिमेटिंग. जैसे हमारे पास स्पून होता है, we can put some spoon 1 2 3 4 5 7 like this. We can put the spoon in that. Okay, but सिंपल सी बात है, घर पे हमारे बाउल होता है, बकेट होता है, टी कप होता है, वाटर टैंक होता है, ये सब सारी चीज़ें अगर उसमें हम पानी वाटर डालते हैं या कोई ऑयल, तो हम उसमें एस्टिमेटेड वेट जहाँ हम करते थे वो क्या बोलते हैं कि 1 bucket, how many mugs? Simple 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 mugs. Then in small bowl we can put some oil with the help of spoon. That is the estimated weight. Okay, now today we have to see from this point regarding standard unit. Okay, regarding standard unit, see, related this capacity we have to learn about standard unit. I will show you about this. This is the liter. You know about liter? Yes, liter and milliliter. Liter and milliliter. These two units are called standard unit of capacity. We can write regarding in short form liter and about this ml. Okay, ये समझ में आ रहा है आपको? सिंपल सी बात है यहाँ पे, लीटर एंड मिलीलीटर. आई विल शो यू अबाउट दिस. ओके, यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दैट with the help of some standard unit. I will show you. Already you all learned about yes, you can easily yes. Okay, smaller unit, bigger unit, all these things we will see from that. Yes, okay. Okay, see. Okay, see. This is the standard unit. You know, curd man. Every day they are coming at home and sell their curd. Like this, see, 1 liter. This is the 1 liter. See, this is the measurement of capacity, 1 liter. Now this is the 500 milliliter. How many? 500 milliliter. यानी कि we can say half liter. Okay. Then we can see about this 200 milliliter. उससे छोटा 200 मिलीलीटर. उसके बाद उससे भी छोटा 100 मिलीलीटर. ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. हाउ मेनी? 100 मिलीलीटर. ये देखो यहाँ पे, अगर आपको दिखाई नहीं दिया इसलिए पेन से लिखा है. ओके सी. उसके बाद उससे भी छोटा है 50 मिलीलीटर. देखो यहाँ पे हाउ मेनी? 50 मिलीलीटर. ओके. एंड लास्ट इससे भी छोटा है 25 milliliter. This is a 25 milliliter. Like this, these are the standard unit to measure capacity of any liquid things. Okay, these are the some major units regarding capacity. Yes. Now we'll start about the next point from this. I hope you understood about this. Now I will show you about this 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. 1 लीटर के बराबर होता है 1000 मिलीलीटर. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट. Now next point from here, conversion of units of capacity. Now we have to see what is the conversion of this. Okay. Now I would like to say some conversion of standard unit or conversion of units of capacity. Okay, of capacity. Now see everyone, regarding this we have to convert some units from this. Now first point, already I explained about this. 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This concept must be fixed in your mind. 1 liter equal to 100 milliliter. Okay. Now next, first conversion, bigger to smaller. What first conversion is? Bigger to smaller. Okay, bigger unit to smaller unit. Now see, first in that bigger unit, liter to milliliter. Liter to milliliter. Liter to milliliter. Okay, you can say liter to milliliter. Okay, now see everyone how it will convert. Suppose one example I will show you. 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? You know everyone, 1000 milliliter. Okay, now second example I will show you about this. Suppose if you want to convert this 5 liter equal to how many milliliter? Okay, 5 milliliter into liter into milliliter. Then can you guess? Yes. See, if 1 liter equal to 1000 of milliliter, then 5 liter equal to how many? Then 5 into 1000. Do the multiplication of this. You will get 5000 milliliter. How many? 5000 milliliter. See, 5 liter equal to how many milliliter? 5000 milliliter. That is the conversion. Okay, now next example we will see here. Simple. Suppose 3 liter into milliliter. 3 liter into milliliter. Okay, then see here what to do. You know 1 liter equal to how many? 1000 milliliter. Then 3 liter equal to how many? 3 into 1000 equal to 3000 milliliter. Equal to 3000 milliliter. This is the conversion of bigger to smaller. Again we will check with the help of another example. This is directly we will get the milliliter. Now some different example. Suppose 4 liter 735 milliliter. Then what to do? We have to convert into milliliter. Yes, we have to convert into milliliter. Then what to do? Same things. Don't worry about this. First convert this 4 liter into milliliter. यानी कि 4 into 1000 milliliter. Now what will come? 4000 milliliter. Got? प्लस. अभी यहाँ पे प्लस करो. कौन सा करना है प्लस? ये 735 milliliter. Correct? 735 milliliter. Now do the addition of these two. See this and this. How to do addition? If you are doing addition with 1100, see simple thing है. अगर यहाँ पे how many zeros? 3 zeros. और how many number here? 3 digit also. Here 3 digit means 30. Directly we can put 4, 7, 3 and 5. These three instead of this 30 we will get the addition. Also you can do as per our regular process. 4000 plus 735. This is also you can do 5374. Same answer. Okay. I hope you understood about this very well. Yes. See 4 into 1000 4000 milliliter plus remaining 735 milliliter. दोनों का addition करो. You will get 4735 milliliter. Like this you can convert bigger to smaller. Yes. Now this is the only one conversion in this capacity. Now next we will see smaller to bigger. Next we will see smaller to bigger. Okay. Smaller to bigger. ध्यान देना है अभी यहाँ पे जब हम बिगर टू स्मॉलर होते हैं तो मल्टीपल होता है और स्मॉलर टू बिगर में जाते तो सबट्रैक्ट डिवीजन होता है. कीप इन योर माइंड. इसमें हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? डिवीजन और डिवाइड. ध्यान देना है. अभी कैसे करना है देखो. स्मॉलर टू बिगर आपको मालूम है 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. These things you must keep in your mind. Okay. Now next I will give one example. Suppose 2000 milliliter into liter. You can make this into liter. How can you solve? See, I will show you about this directly. If you are converting smaller to bigger, that time you have to divide. सिंपल सी बात है. यहाँ पे डिवाइड करो. 2000 डिवाइड बाय 1000. 2000 डिवाइड बाय 1000. You will get the details. This 0, this 0, this 0. Cancel it. 1 divided by 2. That is answer is 2. This is the 2 liter. अगर ऐसा होता है ये करो. As per our regular process, you can do this also. Yes. 1000 divided by 2000. 112 2. This is the 2000. Answer is this. Like this also you can solve division, but it's very simple. If you are dividing 1000 by this, you will get like this. So 2000 milliliter into liter, 2 liter. Okay. Another example we will see. Suppose 7000 milliliter into liter. How many? 7000 milliliter into लीटर. Okay, now see there. What to do? Simple है. 7000 divided by 1000. Why? Because of, you know everyone, 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Okay, so I have divided by 1000. उसके बाद देखो आप यहाँ पे नीचे you can do a regular process of division. ध्यान देना कि भूलना नहीं है, सिंपल है, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं, इजी स्टेप्स है. आप यहाँ पे सिंपल सी बात है, अगर किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करें वही नंबर आ रहा है, यानी कि अगर 1000 से भी हम डिवाइड करें तो 7000, यानी कि how many times you count the 1000? 7 times. So it will be the 7. So what will answer? 7 liter. Directly you will get answer. I hope you understand about this very well. Okay. Now next example we will see different types of example. Okay. See another example we will see. Suppose 5345 milliliter into liter. Can you convert it? 5345 milliliter into liter. अब यहाँ पे सिंपल सी बात है, सिर्फ स्टेप बाय स्टेप करो. हाउ कैन यू डू? फर्स्ट डू हियर 1000 मिलीलीटर इक्वल टू 1 लीटर, ये लिख के लेना है. उसके बाद आपको नीचे करना है क्या? सी राइट डाउन डिवाइड बाय 1000, ये करो, कर लिया. अब इसको आपकी तरफ जैसे होता है यू कैन डिवाइड इट, बट जरूरत नहीं है, सिंपल है, ध्यान देना है. मैंने इससे पहले भी बोला है आपको, जब आप 1000 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो और आपके पास 4 डिजिट नंबर है, तो जो लास्ट का ये फर्स्ट डिजिट होता है ये होता है आपका आंसर. दिस इज द 5 लीटर, और बाकी का होता है रिमाइंडर, यानी कि 345 मिलीलीटर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दिस. मैंने इससे पहले डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो इसका आंसर ये आएगा, और बाकी का रिमाइंडर होता है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. अगेन वन एग्जांपल आई विल एक्सप्लेन. सेम, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस. ओके, इफ you have 12,350 milliliter into liter. 12,350 milliliter into liter. सिंपल है, यहाँ पे भी सेम करना है. डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस. Already I have explained 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, ये आपको पता है. ओके, उसके बाद हमें क्या करना, ध्यान देना. सी, अब ये है 12,350 डिवाइड बाय हाउ मेनी 1000, करेक्ट? हाउ मेनी 1000. अभी इससे पहले, अभी यहाँ पे 5 डिजिट नंबर है, कीप इन योर माइंड. यहाँ पे 4 डिजिट था, एक ही आंसर आया था, 1 डिजिट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 5 डिजिट है, तो आंसर आएगा अपना 2 डिजिट. कीप इन योर माइंड, कितने डिजिट? 2 डिजिट. इसका मतलब ये है आंसर 12 लीटर 350 मिलीलीटर. गॉट दिस? अगर ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो सिंपल सी स्टेप है, यू कैन डू योर रेगुलर डिवाइडेशन. 1000 डिवाइडेड, काउंट करो, 1000 को काउंट करो, कितना आएगा? 1 1 यानी कि 1000. इसमें माइनस करो, कितने रहेंगे? कैन यू डू इट? यस, 2350 यहाँ पे हो गया 10. और इसका ये भी नहीं होता है, यू कैन जस्ट डू द प्रैक्टिस हियर, एंड दैट इज द आंसर इज 2. Remaining is this. This is the 12 answer. Okay. Like this also you can solve. Otherwise directly you can get the answer. Okay. I hope you understood about this direct answer. Don't worry about this. Okay. अगर 4 डिजिट है, सिंगल डिजिट आएगा एज अ आंसर एंड रिमाइंडर विल बी हियर. अगर 5 डिजिट है तो 2 डिजिट में आंसर आएगा और बाकी के डिजिट जो 3 डिजिट रह चुके हैं उसका रिमाइंडर हो जाएंगे. ओके, लाइक दिस यू कैन सॉल्व. नाउ हियर रिगार्डिंग दिस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट फ्रॉम दिस we will see about the operation with capacity. Okay, we will stop here.